Hi, this is Fred Sang. I'm General Manager at Roesch Ford in beautiful Bensenville, Illinois, and I'm here today to show you one of our many custom lifted trucks. This is our Ford 2019 F250 with the Tuscany conversion FTX. You have to see the options on this vehicle. Under the hood, we have the best-in-class 6.7 liter Ford diesel with 450 horsepower that has 935 pound-feet of torque. Up front, you see the quad beam headlights from Ford with the custom Tuscany dual ram intake hood, LED light bar integrated in the front bumper cover, and a custom grille. As we move along to the side, we have an exclusive Tuscany 20-inch chrome wheel and 37-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, KM3s. This also has the Lariat Ultimate package, which comes with navigation, LED box lighting, remote start, and tailgate step. So if you're ready to purchase or you just want to come in and look, come to Bensenville, Illinois, and we'll make sure we'll take care of you.